the hell that is. Yep, a little one. Yep. He cold too. It ain't good. Well, I think it's just because it's little. Got another fish, a little one. Hit it right here. These are bucks, they're staging. That's what we're doing. Still beautiful day. Got a good fish. A good fish, good fish, good fish, a good fish. Get the net. Striper. Yeah, I don't want him to take my daggone. I just flipped my bail so he could pull. Yep. Don't know how you managed that, but you did. Pretty fish. Yep. I already got a damn fish. I felt him grab it as it was sitting. Another striper. So up there by that tree. Yep, he's smaller. Yeah, you got it tied on, don't you? Ow. You pretty little one. Yep, indeed. A little one. Where the girl's at? That's what we're looking for. He said he weren't no snitch. Snitch, buddy. Don't let striper eat you. And he just went out. There's one. Damn striper. And a good striper too. Bit right at the boat. Happened to myself. Picture of him. There he is. Right on the bank. He's foul hooked down. Little old buck. little off, I believe. Pliers. Very good. No, I think it's a little bass. Yep. Got more fight to him though. Look at his eyes, already turning red. Tell me them bucks ain't thinking about spawning. There he is. Look at, hey, that's the keeper bass right there. Not much of a keeper, but he's a keeper, I think, no? 12, maybe.
I got a measuring board right here.
Where at? There he is. Oh, shit. Uh-huh. That's a keeper. Oh, he come off, but he's a keeper. Well, I only got a fish. I was just letting it sit there. He's a little, ooh, about to come off. He's a keeper, but not much. Yep, has. Yep. He's wide. That little boy. Where's the girls at? Huh? This. I just spooked something right out here. There he is. This is something better. Damn. Whoa, massive blackfish. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. He cold though, he ain't fighting. He's wounded. He's the old one. Don't wrap up. I got a fish. Yep. Yeah, wind blowing the tail end of the boat. That little bass. Oh yeah. There's one. Yeah, I got a pretty good one. Well, he's fat. There, bugger. He's fat. There he is. Yep. This one's up missing an eye. Oh. Hold on, buddy.
I'm gonna put you back.
Yeah, he never had it, I don't believe. Here, maybe around this deep water, the bigger bass might still be hanging out. There's some. You won't be smelling nothing for a while, buddy. Dang. There's a fish. He hit us up sideways too. What it is, little buck bass, they've moved up. I turned the camera off too. Yeah, it's about a 3-pounder. There's a fish. Damn. Yeah, 3 right here. He got lipstick on. They said he'd been eating a lot of crawfish when he got pink lips like that. There. That, whatever that is good. I think it's a stripper. Ah, he come off. There's one. Ain't wind. Something else. Go on.